Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, I'm going to explain how teachers can add students to Google Classroom. With that being said, let's begin. The first option is sharing the class code. On the main page of Google Classroom, I can click this display button to make the class code larger. It is now easier for me to copy the code and then paste it somewhere else where I can send it out in whichever fashion I choose to my students. Once my students have this code in their own Google Classroom profile, they will click the plus button, which will make the following menu appear. The students would then enter the class code and click join in order to become members of the class. Another option is for teachers to click on the People tab. In this section, teachers can invite other teachers and other students to their Google Classroom. To do so, a teacher needs to click on the Invite Students button. Now I can type in the name or email address of my students. Once I have typed in an email address, search results will generate. I can click on the result to save it in my list. I could then continue to add students as needed until I have put all of them in the list. When I'm ready, I can click the Invite button. After clicking the Invite button, I can see that this student has been invited to the class, but they have not fully joined it yet. Under my student's profile, they will have to click the Join button for the class. This tile may take a little time to appear for the student, but it will eventually generate. After the student joins the class from their end, they are full members of the class. When I go back to my People section as a teacher, I can see that this student has fully joined the class. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.